Hello friends, I hope everybody's having an amazing day. Today I'm going to show you a GoPro comparison. Basically what I have three different cameras of GoPro. So I have a GoPro 8 camera with me, and I have a GoPro HERO, and the third one I have HERO Black 5 camera with me. So I'm going to show you the comparison video, the result, the audio result, the video stabilization, the slow motion effect, and the video result. So let's go and explore. So what I'm doing, I'm just I'm just combining all three cameras in one stick. So I will make the easy comparison. So let's make the stick. So just and this is the stick I have, and I will combine all three cameras, 1, 2, 3 in this stick, and I will make it a full stick, and I will show you the result. See, I just combine all three cameras with one stick right now, and after this one, what I have to do, I will make it, I will adjust it on the one stick. So after this I can carry it, and I will use my Gorilla port for carrying it, so it will make my life much easier. See, just unstick this, and I'm just making it a one stick panel. So this one, see, and now what I have the three cameras in one stick. See, this one, I have all three cameras in one stick. So I will show you the comparison, the video result, the stabilization, the audio result, and the slow motion effect. So let's go and check the results. Yeah, okay, I just started the HERO Black 5 camera, and its battery is 99%, and I'm starting the another camera, which is HERO GoPro HERO. I'm going to start my HERO Black 8 camera. Its battery is 100%. Now I'm going to test the video result, the video quality. This is GoPro HERO Black 8, this is GoPro HERO Black 5. I'm just testing the video quality of this is GoPro HERO. Audio check in GoPro HERO. Audio check in GoPro HERO. Audio check in GoPro HERO 5 Black. Audio check in GoPro HERO 5 Black. Audio check in GoPro HERO Black 8. Audio check in GoPro HERO Black 8. Now I'm going to test the video stabilization. This is GoPro HERO Black 8, and this is GoPro HERO and GoPro HERO 5. So let's check the result. And I'm just going up the stairs. You see this thing? I'm just climbing up. the final conclusion or the result which I'm going to give you, the GoPro Hero Black 8 audio, I find it's is much better than GoPro Hero 5 and the other GoPro. And the video result, of course, is the GoPro Hero Black 8, as you see the result. And the video stabilization is also really good in GoPro Hero Black 8, and the slow motion as well, because they are giving a 240 frame per second also, and also they're giving a 4K 240 frame per second. So this is something a very good option. And you know, all these cameras, the GoPro actually is not very good with the audio, as you know, means they always give us some sound, some kind of a bumpy sound, or some noise is always there. So this on this time with the GoPro 8, they fixed this issue, and I really surprised the audio result of this. And also the video quality for this camera is really stunning. So this is something, and I hope you like this video. And for more amazing content, do subscribe my channel and keep watching me. Thanks for watching me, and bye bye. I forgot to tell you, maybe in the future I will give you the GoPro Hero Black 8 and with the iPhone 10R with the gimbal Smooth 4. So I will show you the result, the video quality, stabilization with the versus gimbal versus GoPro 8 without gimbal. So I hope this is gonna be interesting, and keep watching me. Bye bye. This park is Bujairi Park. Actually, it's almost like 25 kilometers from center of the city. The best part of this place, it has plenty of trees, and you can see there is a kids area also, and there are plenty of trees there. So it's very good for visiting if you want to have a cool place and you want to relax. So it's something really pleasant, and you can also listen the bird sound. It's a really cool place.